Section 3. Creating brochures. Stage 3. Add the text. Cindy is not quite sure what she wants to say in each section of the brochure. For the moment, she will use placeholder text to produce a preliminary design of each panel or set of panels before she writes the final content. This involves 1. Inserting text boxes as placeholders throughout the document. Let's continue to see how Cindy does this. Front panel. This panel is the front page of the brochure. Here Cindy can include a title, company name and a picture logo. Envelope panel. This panel is for the address and stamp. Here Cindy includes the address to customers, company address and stamp box. Back panel. This is a good place for Cindy to clearly and concisely summarize her products and services. Select the Insert tab. Select the text box button. Select the simple text box item. Enter a placeholder text. Adjust the text box margin to fit into the panel. Select the text box to bring up the Format tab. Select the Shape Width text box. Press Enter key. Now position the text box within the panel by selecting the text box and dragging it to any position. Adjust the height of the text box by click and dragging the box points. Repeat steps to include more text boxes. Let's change the text direction so it's suited for the envelope panel. Select the text box. Select the Format tab. Click the Text Direction button. Text direction updated. Stage 4. Add the images. Cindy has graphics ready for each panel in her brochure. If she didn't have these ready, she could use placeholder graphics before she designs the final content. The key step here is 1. Inserting pictures. Let's continue to see how Cindy does this. Insert Cindy's CD's logo in the front page panel. Select the Insert tab. Click the Picture button. Select Cindy's CD's logo picture. And add another picture in the back panel. Stage 5. Formatting and applying styles. In this stage, Cindy designs the final content and applies text styles for font, size and color. The key steps are 1. Modifying and adding the final content. 2. Applying styles. Let's continue to see how Cindy does this. Back page panels. Following the same techniques, Cindy can now design the back page panels. Remember, this involves 1. Adding text boxes. 2. Inserting pictures. 3. Adding content. Main inside panel. The most important information is included here on the inside panels. Use these panels to introduce your company and describe specific products or services. This text should be brief and should entice the reader to want to know more about the product or service. Price list panel. Cindy had decided to put a list of the top 10 albums for the month. Order form panel. Top 10 albums for the month available for sale using the order form. Stage 5. Formatting and applying styles. To complete the brochure, Cindy can now apply her style's font, size and color into the design. This involves 1. Removing border from text boxes. 2. Changing the font to Franken Gothic. 3. Changing the font size. 4. Changing the font color. Removing borders from text boxes. Select the text box to activate the Format tab. Select the Format tab. Select the Shape Outline button. Select the No Outline menu item. All done. Cindy's CD's brochure is now complete. End of session.